I came there and I met this man, and I left out of there a better person. It's a privilege for me to introduce to you.
In the name of the omnipotent God, omnipresent, omnitemporal, omnibenevolent, and the omniscient God, the most merciful, the most gracious, and the most compassionate, the proprietor of space, time, and beyond, the fiduciary, custodian, and adjudicator, arbitrator, and the judge of all there is and the non-existence. Now, you tell me non-existent, that should not perhaps make too much sense. But non-existence, which is beyond our nervous system, beyond our brain. But this non-existence is infinitely filled with dancing, sparkling, dazzling particles. That each particles, infinite, beyond count, are imbued with life, ready to maneuver at Lord's order. What we see right now as a visible world, what we witness, is not what it is. Because there is another life, invisible life, percolated with weird stuff that the most prominent scientists cannot figure out. People like Max Planck, Bauer, Heisenberg, they don't know what's happening. Even Einstein, they don't know what's going on. We cannot formulate something that science is applicable to science. We can't do it. What they're saying is the same particle can be in a million places at the same time. The particle that is made of atom, electrons, quarks, that you cannot see with the naked eye. You cannot see it. Now, common sense tells you the whole is made of the part. You dismantle anything here, that thing, when put together, makes the whole. So, if the particles can be seen a million places at the same time, and we are made of atom, we are not strangely made of something else. We are made of atoms. We can also be seen at a million places at the same time. But bear in mind, not in this visible world, not here. He just didn't make us like that. In a world that we talk spiritual, subatomic particles and quantum mechanics maneuver there. That has made everybody, all these prominent scientists, to wonder what is happening. What is happening? And God being so gracious, they change to believe in God. To believe in God.